Time to burp? Okay. Yep. Oh, you want to burp on your hand? Okay. Here, put your hand in. Put your hand in. There, right like that. Now sit her up. Did she burp? Good girl. Is she all done? All right. Good girl.